I know. I said I wasn't going to do what I'm going to limit it. But this morning, um, I cleaned my fridge freezer, thawed it out, some right chunks in there. And there were only two items that actually started thawing out. I put stuff in a box and into a corner, so but anyway, it worked alright. What thawed out, cheese and onion pasties and a loaf of bread. Then while stuff was going on, I've tidied up this board, as you can see. And I haven't done all, but just tied it up. I'm going to have to use a pen and mark out where I'm going to use platforms, because this is shaping narrower and it's going to be quite narrow on here, so I need to keep that in and like that. Talking of platforms then, you might be able to see it now. Image it. Just a little halt. And this will be kind of a bigger hole. I've not got trains running because you can concentrate on me. There'll be a tunnel, and it might be there. That's a level crossing. So tunnel, they're going to be different tunnels, entrances or whatever. So that'll be like that. As I said before, built up, and it will sort of grind down to here. On top there'll be platform, two lines or two sidings. This is heritage line I'm on about. Then it starts to drop in, it goes out here, then it comes back, drop in. Then there'll be like another hole, it won't be that high. It's going to start, I'm sure you. That will probably be something like that. And then you'll be able to work it out now. Is that's one of the new points I got. Yep, it's going to start climbing, maybe on point even, I don't know, you know. But I'll be using FlexiTrack because it will be bendy, you know. So it's going to climb up. People are on about what angles you should do, but I've been watching, you know, YouTube videos on real life trains and stuff, and some of stuff that go up. I mean, just coming out of Bradford interchange. That's have a look. Bradford interchange, coming out of Bradford interchange. That's a mean old climb, is that? And when you go in another direction, it has such a tight radius. Anyway, yeah, this is heritage line bit. So you can see it goes on here, some little park here, obviously. Heritage platform up to maybe, I'm not sure, station entry is going to be something like that, so I've not worked out how far I go up yet. Then there'll be another one, another siding. And I might put another one on, I don't know, let's just see how it looks. But to show you how I want to do stuff like that. I'm rubbish with points, I can't follow them, I keep derailing my trains. So let's just say that's not connected, so it comes off a heritage line, right? The heritage line is also going to be a branch line where I'm going to be using a single bubble car, which they used to use properly. So it can go down that way, it can go there, but at the same time, if it's branch line, it can go like this onto proper direction, which is that way, up track. At the same time, you see, I think about this, at the same time, it can go on there like that. So if that's in, you know, be another train, as I say, it can go on that. All this stuff in my head, it's finally coming out to what I wanted to do with track, and it's sound, you know, and it's seemingly spot on. And you know, as you've already seen, this can go onto, you know, that one, up and down tracks or whatever. And as I mentioned about trimming the platform, because it does narrow a bit up here because of all bends in there. So I'll be, you know, I'll be kind of trying to model that and stuff. There were something else I'm going to mention. Yeah, I'm going to talk about the village now. So round here, it's going to be a cricket club, cricket field, cricket club. And where level crossing is, obviously there's going to be a bridge there where a heritage line goes across it, and that will come in, you know, be a track that way, a road that way, a road sort of here, and this is going to be the village area, because that's built up, remember. So the village area is going to be around here sort of thing. There won't really be any factories at all, so there'll be a farm up top of there. Farm at top of there might be probably named after one of our farms, one of Addingham's farms, I think. Garsa, is it Garsa? I've forgotten your name now, Nige. Anyway, farm up there, and Jan, and so that's kind of, you know, I can, you know, it's looking a bit better for you to be able to vision it now. All that's going to be modelling, so, you know, as you can see, most of the tracks are done. Little tweaks here and there, and then I'll be tacking it. As you know, I glued most of outside track when I really didn't want to tack it and everything moved. I just wanted to make sure that absolutely fixed and I built inward, not built out, because it might not work. Oh, and a side in here. So there'll be a power connector here, a dropper. There won't need one here because this side has been used, it's going to go like that anyway. And we've got a dropper power. Yeah, there'll be a pub in the village. It'll sell Stella and whatever else you see on this. It's great. In the next couple of weeks or so, this board's going to move over there. I can vision that now, you know. And then I'm going to say there's eventually going to be a good yard coming out of here. No. Board's going to go over there, and then coming out of here, it's going to go along edge of room. And yeah, still a good area over here with another station or something. All long term. This is I'm well chuffed I've got this going now, and I think this rig is all right. I hope I haven't cracked it. Oh, that's something else I want to say. Yeah, I have used a track rubber, but when I took up some of the track, there's so many bits underneath, and I do vacuum it. So I'm thinking, do you think that'll work? I haven't tried it yet, you know, but it's that bit. Oh no, because I only do it inside. You know, to scrape it. Because, as I say, I will be eventually painting stuff. Right then. Yeah, well chuffed. Goodness, that's under 10 minutes, just. I thought that was a short one.